Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Claudia, and today I have some great news for you guys. I really wanted to do a sit down video, but I've been really busy with work and stuff, so I just haven't had the time. But I was like, let me let you guys know right now if you don't follow me on Instagram. In this cookbook slash ebook, I have 20 best Liberian recipes. I'm gonna name a few. I have cassava leaf, I have pepper crabs, I have shortbread, palm butter, kala and pepper sauce. I have a lot of recipes in here. If you're interested in getting a copy, you can follow me on Instagram at IBeeTheChef and message me saying cookbook, and I will send you more information on how to get this cookbook slash ebook. I have one recipe in here that I don't have a video for yet. I want to say thank you guys so much for all the love and support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. A big, big thank you. Once we hit 500 copies sold, I want to do a huge giveaway. So please share this. You can tell your family, your friends. So let's get to 500 copies sold, and we'll do this huge giveaway because I haven't done one in a long time, and I want to tell you guys thank you. All right, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.